Welcome to Exhibit Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon. Live po tayo ngayon dito sa Coast Guard vicinity po at kasama po natin ang Coast Guard Fleet at sila po ay meron pong sineselebrate ngayon na Coast Guard Fleet Expo 2024. At kasama po natin ngayon, siyempre po ang isa po sa representative ng Coast Guard Fleet. Let's welcome Captain Glenn Daraud. Good morning, sir.
Magandang umaga, bro, at maraming salamat at pinaunlakan nyo yung ating activity ngayong araw. Ito ay Coast Guard Fleet Expo 2024 as part of our celebration ng Coast Guard Fleet 17th anniversary.
Wow, at we are excited na kayo po ay naging bahagi po ng aming programa. Sir, ano po ba ang kaganapan ngayon itong maghapon na ito, sir?
Ang Coast Guard Fleet Expo ay isa sa mga activity natin in connection with our 17th Coast Guard Fleet 17th anniversary, wherein dito nag-invite tayo ng mga ating mga suppliers in terms of exhibitors in terms of maritime products, no, marine products, wherein ang iba dito ay mostly mga suppliers din natin to bring us the latest technology in terms of maritime services. At the same time, andito din yung ating mga members ng Philippine Coast Guard from other Coast Guard units, also to present the capability of and equipment of the Philippine Coast Guard.
Okay, so mamaya po meron tayo ng hapon, alas 4 po, yung celebration naman natin.
Yes po, yun yung ating formal ceremony ng ating Coast Guard Fleet 17th anniversary. That is a ceremony wherein the guest of honor will be our very own Commandant Coast Guard Admiral Gaban.
Alright, so marami po tayong kanina, sir, binuksan natin ang ating opening. Sino po yung ating naging pangunahing tagapagsalita po kanina, sir?
So kanina, during the opening ceremony, we have the cutting of ribbon. At the same time, nagbigay ng mensahe ang ating Commander Coast Guard Fleet, Rear Admiral Edgar Elibanez, wherein siya ay happy at marami yung mga exhibitors na pumunta at naging masabi natin na successful itong ating event dahil in-expect natin na andito yung ating mga partners in the maritime maliban sa mga ating panauhin sa Philippine Coast Guard. Andito din yung ating may mabisita tayo from the Philippine Navy, IC, nandyan sila. At in-expect natin yung iba nating mga stakeholders and suppliers pupunta din para makita itong mga latest technology in terms of maritime services na andito.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations sa ngalan po ng aming executive producer, Mr. Rick Angeles. Pinababati po ang tagumpay po ninyo.
Thank you very much po at in behalf of the Coast Guard Fleet, maraming salamat at inanyayahan pa natin na sana marami pumunta dito sa ating Coast Guard Fleet Maritime Expo 2024.
Maraming salamat po sa ngalan po ng programang Exhibits Today. Siyempre, papasalamat tayo sa ating sponsor, ang Video Design, Swedish Design, siyempre po ang Beacon 2024. Sa ngalan po ng inyong lingkod, Brother Hernan, lagi nagsasabing, God bless you po.